Alright guys, I just stopped my live streaming. As you can see, the chat is still on here, and I'm getting off. People are getting off. I wanted to start doing this, and hopefully I'll do it, some streams when I'm doing things. I'm not going to edit these very much. They're just going to be stuck out there. And I wanted to tell, this is my first one, and I'm sending this to my Patreon list. And it's not something that I put in my Patreon that, hey, you're going to get this. It's not one of those things. This is going to be an unlisted video for Patreons only. And I'm going to put it in a Patreon list that probably will never be made public. I want to thank you. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. It is so awesome of a feeling that you are even considering giving me $1 or more of your money and your time. I have one more added. I need to go down and make sure that he is back in the video, because as you saw, I have a scrolling video that I did. I've got to redo it. Got to add some music. I know. But you guys are great. The Country Club, when they get on, and it's amazing to me how we help each other. And like when I got on the stream last night with Jimmy Shaw, and this dates this video. When I got on that stream, I said, hey, the Country Club's coming over. I don't think Jimmy Shaw understood what that meant. And it took his show to a whole new area I don't think it had been. And I had to apologize in the video because we got a little raucous in there. And the Country Club has a tendency to do that because, we have an open communication on my channel. And we got off topic quite a bit, and I don't think Jimmy Shaw knew what to do with it. But it was great. It was great, man. I had a great time. I'm glad that the Country Club showed up. It was late for y'all. But this video is about the Patreons, and you guys are fantastic. I want y'all to know that I am trying to do better as far as more poignant content. I understand the morning coffee is great, and we have a good time. And that lots of people get in there. I mean, that's showing 15 right now on my chat thing over here. And I didn't take it off. So, I mean, y'all can see what's going on. But I wanted to film this just as a thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for becoming a Patreon, for being a Patreon, and coming to my channel, coming to my trailer home, coming to say hello. That's all. I mean, that's all I ask of anybody, is to come, stay, have a good time, leave, come and go as you please. It's like the screen door on your favorite aunt's house when you were growing up. You open it, you let it slam. She hollers, don't let it slam. Slam it again. Every time, you're still welcome. It doesn't matter if you slam the door or not. It is what it is. I enjoy doing this, and I thank you for your contribution on helping me to continue doing it. And this video is probably going to suck because it's not going to be edited. I'm going to publish this as is, and I want to do this more often. I'm not going to do it after every morning coffee because that would be redundant. But when I have something I want to talk to you guys about that maybe, I don't get to on my stream, or we don't get to discuss, that's what I want this to be. This video's, so far we're at 3 minutes and 45 seconds. It doesn't take long, but I appreciate y'all being here. I appreciate everything that you do. Now I've got to go figure out how to get your emails and all that stuff off of Patreon so I can send you the link, and I've got to get a list started of the Patreons. And anyway, so y'all know what this is about. This is about me saying thank you, and that's all it's about. So thank you again. And I hope you enjoy the content. And if you don't, you can always let me know. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me how I can improve. Call me whatever you like. It's not going to hurt me. So, y'all have a great day. Thank you again. And we'll see you in the trailer home.